Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Home Decoration Ideas. Latest designing United States country style here and there. Today's video is for you guys. This is amazing nice looking. In today's video you will be told how you can make small and big pool in your home. How to make pool decoration for bettings, which tiles to install and what colors of stairs to use in English country style here and there. I show you a picture of home decoration and home interior design and home outdoor decoration ideas. Latest designing United States country style here and there. It was great nice looking and your favorite home interior and home backyard pool decoration design. It is very nice looking. I have brought these videos for you guys. This is my show your picture of home decoration and pool design. It is very nice looking. If you can enjoy this video and please subscribe this channel home decoration ideas, and in this can be done easily by watching the office video and this great nice looking, and that can be done easily on your own.